Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to do something relatively very simple, and we're just going to be taking away stock when we're placing an order. So let's go into our application layer, let's go into our orders and create order. So create order is, if you remember, is where we place our order here. So right before we register the order, we want to reduce the stock. Although we're basically saying, right, perform any operations done here, and this is where we save them, right? So we can create a bulk of operations. So let's create a variable and let's call it um, stocks to update. And here we want to go into our context, and from our stocks, we want to select the ones that we have in our request stocks. Let me type this out. All right. So any stocks submitted in our requests, we want to get them from our database. So stock ID equals X ID here, and to list to execute the query. All right, so at this point, we get our stocks to update. This is going to contain a list of stocks from our database. Now let's iterate through every stock that we need to update. Okay, and here what we want to do is we want to take the stock quantity and we want to subtract the quantity that we're ordering from our order. So again, let's go into our request. Let's go into stocks and let's select the first or default stock ID where it equals to the stock ID that we're trying to subtract from. And let's select the quantity. Okay, and now let's see this work. Let's fire this up. Okay, so let's go into our admin panel and let's check the stocks we have. So for test, everything's 10, product description, everything's 10. Cool. So let's go into test and let's order 2 of the small ones. And let's go into product description and get 3 of the medium ones. Okay, now let's go to checkout and submit our cart payment. Okay, now that that's been placed, let's go into our admin panel again and check the stocks. Test. You can see we subtracted 2 here. Product description, we subtracted 3. Okay, so this was relatively simple. The hard part will come in the next episode where I'm going to be talking about race condition. So hopefully you enjoyed this. After a few long episodes, I kind of wanted to make this short. I don't think this even need to be a long episode, but basically, uh, as always, have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these series, like, subscribe, and as always, see you in the next episode.